Hello everyone, namaste, wala, welcome back to my channel. This video is very special for me and I'm so happy to make it because 3 years back I uploaded this box plate skirt and I got so many queries, as you can see in my screen, that detail. Everyone wants to detail that what fabric I use, how I stitch, and also I got so many appreciation, thanking, and thank you so much for that appreciation, and big thank you for those who watch my videos. So I'm going to tell you that step by step what fabric I use. So be in my video, don't skip, otherwise you will miss the detail. So this is the cotton fabric, muslin cotton, that same fabric I used 3 years back. As you can see, it is so much easy to make pleats, and the quality of fabric is also so good. So that blue one is also muslin fabric. Both the fabric quality is same, as you can see. uh, it is and very easy to use. This fabric is very thick, not a transparent fabric. You can see uh, you can't see my hand, so the fabric is very good. So in this video I'll explain how I cut the pleats and how I stitch. Pink one is big, and blue one is small. You can see the detail of the skirt, how the stitching, the pattern, folding upside and downside, also backside also. So you will understand the pattern, and that is very important, and I thought that it will help you. So I put every detail in this video that I thought that will help you. So I'm going to cut the plates. I already told you that blue one is small and pink one is big. So pink one is 3 inches and blue one is 2 inches. So you need 6 piece of blue one and 5 piece of pink one. See, one. Yeah, I put every single detail, so it will help you. 5 piece of blue one, sorry, pink one, and 6 piece of blue one. Now I'm going to stitch. So so you can see how I stitch one by one. I'll attach. You can see I put every single detail that will help you. Be in my video, so you will get every detail. You can see this point 0.3 inches I took only. It is not a half inch. See, I'll add every. See, this is how I add. See, one by one I'll add. And if you are watching my video, please do subscribe and comment below, that I'll understand, like my video. And this is the only way to know that you like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and comment me below, that I'll understand. If you have any queries, you can comment. I'll try to solve that queries. If you have any doubt, then also you can ask. You can ask anything. uh, Feel free to ask. If you have doubt, don't think that I'll not answer or I'll not you can see my previous video, or you can see each and every video, that whatever, whenever, whoever asks me question, I respectfully answer them. At not at same time, but whenever I'm getting time, I'll solve the queries. So you can see that I'll stitch is over. Now I'm going to iron it. This is the technique you can see in my previous video. See, I iron part is done. If you want to know how I did this ironing part, you can check out on my previous video. That in that video I show in detail. You can check out my previous video. So like this you have to pin it up. So hold the fabric. I'll put this video link on my comment section. That will be easy. I thought that whoever watching my previous video, that if they got any doubt, so that it will be easy to understand or reach out my this video. This is the first stage, so you have to be patient. So stitch very slowly, that your pleats will stuck. See, if you will going to stitch very fast, your pleats will be fold upside. So stitch slowly in this is the first stage, and then again you can stitch after removing the pin, fabric pin. I hope that everyone got their answers or a doubt, clear the doubt, that I provide each and every detail in this video. I'll not put any music on this video because always copyright claiming is happening, and I don't want that. That's why I did not put any music on the video. Video is very silent whenever I'm talking, and other if I'm not talking, the video is silent. So please understand that. I don't know how to maintain that music part. As you can see, my skirt is done and stitching also done. Now I have to add belt part. So you can take 1 inches or 2 inches, 2.5 inches, whatever, however you like, as your interest. So first I'll stitch this half point three inches. I'll stitch, and then I'll stitch on my skirt, as you can see in this video. My skirt is almost done. So please support my this video as you supported my previous video. That love and support is very important for me. um, I can't explain that how much I'm happy to see the comment and queries about my videos or whatever I did, that you love my work. So please support. Thank you so much. I'll cut the extra fabric, see, and I'll stitch the other side also. See how it came out. So I hope you understand, and please you can iron it again. I did, but in very hurry I did, because I don't have much time. See, the both skirt is same. So thank you so much for your love and support. Thank you.